How to check your order history on Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily browse it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this icon. Simply tap on this icon. So, we in this settings interface. So, this is the place where you can find different options. Here on the top, there's a section of your orders. Simply tap on your orders. So, this is the place where you can find all the history of the orders that you have done. Here the time frame and even the amount will be displayed. In my case, I have done none of the orders, so it's empty, but if you click on it, you might find your orders here. Here you can even reorder it from your home page by clicking on order again. So basically, this is the place where you can find all the history of your orders. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.